He's crazy, dude. Who's got the first aid ready for this?
He's the weird. I told you he's the weirdo of the crew.
Crazy.
Did I get the first aid kit?
Watch out, Thomas.
I think we probably should move those cars out of the way before you do it. Holy cow!
Don't think you should try catching that one.
Oh, you do not want to catch that!
Hey guys, Joseph here with takeNshots, and welcome back to my channel. Today is July 4th, and spent the morning and early afternoon over at my buddy's house. He had about 20 of us or so over today. We were all out there in the sun, firing guns and just having a good old time. So if my face looks a little red today, it's because the heat index was 108 degrees and it was brutal. But stick around if you want to see some cool stuff getting shot and some stuff blowing up, then might just be the video for you. I always wanted a double barrel break open 10 gauge shotgun, and I just never found the right gun at the right price. But my local gun store, they bought out this guy's collection, and in that collection was a single barrel New England Firearms 10 gauge. But it wasn't quite the double barrel I wanted, and some previous owner carved a dragon on the left and the right side of the buttstock, so I ended up passing on the gun. But gun store owner Charles, he ended up keeping it and was nice enough to let us borrow the gun today to shoot, the gun in which he nicknamed Puff, because, you know, the dragon and all. So stay tuned, and here's a clip of us shooting Puff. The New England Firearms 10 gauge Puff.
Why you say dragon?
Alright.
What you hit? Nice.
Ah!
Nice. She kicks a little bit, huh?
You get knocked over?
Oh, you got another. So all you have to do is cock it.
Yep.
And then pull it.
Got that on camera?
I did.
Okay.
I'm not getting my face near that.
No.
Okay.
Hurts like a.
So as you can see from the first video, I brought my cannon with me, and it's basically an AR-15 that I built, that the upper is from X Products, and it can launch any type of can that fits in there. Soda cans, beer cans, spray paint cans, shaving cream cans. If it fits, it shoots. So here's some clips of us shooting some of those.
This guy right here?
Oh, crap.
And that was power. Power.
You don't understand. I could have had class. I could have been a contender. I could have been somebody.
Well,
Yeah! Oh.
Dang.
You hit it.
so when the cans didn't explode from the cannon on impact, I decided to take the shaving cream can, set it up, and then shoot it with my Glock 19x. 19x? So Mike was nice enough to bring some spray paint cans for us to shoot out of the cannon, but he also brought some watermelon for us to shoot out of my Marlin 4570. So let's go ahead and see those blow up. I'm gonna go for the higher up one.
Okay.
Don't miss, Joe. Oh! Oh my God.
Okay.
Do it again.
Again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Well, here I'll try one.
Okay.
Nice.
You dirty dog.
So a few fireworks are going off in the background. It is the 4th. So if you guys have been hanging out this long in the video, then you must have at least enjoyed it. So please go ahead and do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Also, there's a couple more videos right here and right there. You can check those out too. And again, guys, thanks for watching.